let's see what's in store for my two cats. Oh, there's two of you. Hey, Snickers. How you doing? Oreo. Both of my ladies vibing. Why are you both separate? Do you need a friend with you? This is Max. You may see him in the last video as him as a canine, the world's smallest canine. Okay, let's see how these both ladies and Oreo and Snickers react. I bought a friend in case you two are very lonely. Oh, Max. Snickers, don't be slick. You've been friends with Max before. Wow, Max. You are like a respectful king, not getting near Oreo or Snickers. You're like Keanu Reeves.